Now we will see the examples questions of memory and memoryless systems. Number 1, y of t is equal to 3t plus 1 into x of t. Y of t is equal to 3t plus 1 into x of t. We know the present output depends on, if the present output depends on only present input, then the system is static system. Otherwise dynamic system. So now we will check for this example. Let's take t is equal to 0. Y of 0 is equal to 3 into 0 plus 1 into x of 0. We need to see the only on input and output only. Here output at t is equal to 0, input also at t is equal to 0, means present output depends on present input. Similarly, we will take y of 2 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 1 whole into x of 2. Here also t is equal to 2, input also at t is equal to 2, present output is equal to present input only. So the system is static system, means static system. It doesn't have any memory, so the system is static system. Next example 2. V of n is equal to g of n plus 3 into x of n. Now we will check for different values of n. Take example n is equal to 0, then g of 0 plus 3 into x of 0. Output at n is equal to 0, input also at n is equal to 0. So present output depends on present only. Similarly, x of 2 is equal to g of 2 plus 3 into x of 2. Here output at n is equal to 2, input output at n is equal to 2 only. Don't consider this as input. We need to check only input. G of n is an external function. It's a coefficient function with the function of n. The function of n. Don't consider this as input. Only consider input as x of n. Output is y of n. So the present output depends on the present input only. Now we will take some negative values. Y of n minus 2 is equal to g of minus 2 plus 3 into x of minus 2. So output at present minus 2, input output at present minus 2. So present output depends on present input only here also. So the system is static system. System is static system or memoryless system. Memoryless system. Now third example. So the next example is y of n is equal to 3 into x of n minus 2 into x of n minus 2. We know the concept. Now we will check some values. Y of 0 is equal to 3 into x of 0 minus 2 into 0 minus 1 x of 3 into x of 0 minus 2 into x of minus 1. Here output at n is equal to 0. Here input at n is equal to 0. This is also x of, means in input only. So here input is equal to minus 1. This is present, n is equal to 0 also present, but this is fast. So the system depends on the memory. So the system is memory system. Memory system, or also called it as dynamic system. Next, fourth example. Next question is y of t is equal to e to the power of minus 3t plus 1 into x of t. The concept is present output depends on only present input, then the system is static system. If the present output is not only present input, then the system is called static system. So we will check for different values of the output and input relation. At t is equal to 0, y of 0 is equal to e to the power of minus 0 plus 1 x of 0. Here output at t is equal to 0, input also at t is equal to 0. I will check for negative values. Minus 1 e to the power of minus 3 into 2 minus 3 plus 1 x of minus 1. At t output is equal to t is equal to 1, input also at t is equal to minus 1. Minus 1, output at minus 1, input also at minus 1. For any value of the time t, the output depends on only present input. So the system is static system. System is static system. Next example, fifth. The next example is y of n is equal to 2 into x of n plus 3 into u of n plus 1. This concept, we will check for different values of n. For n is equal to 0, y of 0 is equal to 2 into x of 0 plus 3 into u of 0 plus 1. This is not the output, this is the constant. This is not the input, this is constant. This is the input, this is the output. Here output at n is equal to 0, input also at n is equal to 0. Similarly, we will take from 2 into x of 2 plus 3 into u of 2 plus 1. Here also at output n is equal to 2. Here at input is equal n is equal to 2. This is the constant. So for any values of n, we will get present output is the only depends on the present input only. So the system is static system. Static system. Static system. So I will see more examples on next video.